Hi students, how are you? Fine? Okay, I am also fine. Today we will see the modern periodic law. We see some demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table, and that's why new modern periodic table is formed. New modern law is formed. First we see the introductions. The scientific world did not know anything about the interior of the atom when Mendeleev put for the Mendeleev periodic table. मेंडेलिव्हने स्वतःचा पिरियडिक टेबल तयार केला, पण तोपर्यंत वैज्ञानिक जगतामध्ये इंटेरियर ऑफ द एटम अणूच्या अंतरंगाबाबत अणूच्या अंतरंगातील गोष्टींबाबत कुठल्याही प्रकारची माहिती नव्हती. तरी सुद्धा मेंडेलिव्हने स्वतःचा पिरियडिक टेबल तयार केला होता. बट आफ्टर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन 1904 to 1906, J. Thomson discovered the electron, and that's why after discovery of electron, scientists started exploring the relation between the electron number of an atom and atomic number. आता इलेक्ट्रॉनचा शोध लागला आणि त्यामुळे सायंटिस्ट रिलेशन बिटवीन द atomic numbers and number of electrons, atomic number and electron number of an atom, दोघांमध्ये रिलेशन बनवायला सुरुवात केली. Atomic number in Mendeleev's periodic table only denoted serial number of element. मेंडेलिव्हच्या periodic table मध्ये atomic number काय काम करतो, तो फक्त serial number दाखवतो. But now electron is known, discovered by J. Thomson, and in 1913 English scientist Henry Moseley, what is the name of scientist? Henry Moseley, demonstrated with the help of the experiments done using X-ray tube that the atomic number is denoted by Z. Atomic number of the element corresponds to the positive charge on the nucleus. Atomic number of an element corresponds to positive charge on the nucleus. Nucleus वर positive charge येतो. Or the number of proton in the nucleus of atom of that element. Now Henry Moseley, this concept revealed atomic number is a more fundamental property than the atomic masses. Atomic number is more fundamental property than atomic mass. Today we see, students, we see Doberanus, Newlands and Mendeleev, all the three scientists carry the fundamental property is atomic mass. But Henry Moseley revealed the property atomic number is more fundamental property than atomic mass. डोबेरायनर, मेंडेलीव, न्यूलँड्स या तिघांनी सुद्धा ॲटॉमिक मासलाच फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी मानलं होतं आणि त्याप्रमाणेच त्यांनी क्लासिफाय करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. पण after the discovery of the electron, Henry Moseley carried the fundamental property the atomic number, and again he made a modern periodic law. Now what is the modern periodic law? Concept is changed now. Modern periodic law, properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. लर्न करायला सोपा झाला आता. Properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. Some students say that both law are same. No. Attention you. But listen carefully. What is the difference? In the Mendeleev's periodic law, properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses, and in Henry Moseley, that means the modern periodic law, the properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. What is the difference? In Mendeleev's atomic masses, and in modern periodic law, atomic numbers. This is the main difference. Now, students learn both laws, modern periodic law and Mendeleev's periodic law. Because of we know the concept, main concept, Mendeleev's atomic masses fundamental property, and a modern periodic law, atomic number is a fundamental property. New point, modern periodic table, such that long form of modern periodic table. Students, the classification of elements resulting from an arrangement of the elements in an increasing order of their atomic numbers is the modern periodic table. In the modern periodic table, main fundamental property using Henry Moseley is atomic numbers. The classification of elements resulting from an arrangement of the element in an increasing order of atomic numbers is the modern periodic table. लक्षात ठेवण्यासारखं एकच भाग आहे की आतापर्यंत आपण इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ ॲटॉमिक मासेस असं म्हणत होतो, आता नाही. आता मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल बघतो आहोत आपण. द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स रिझल्टिंग फ्रॉम अन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स इज अन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर ॲटॉमिक numbers is the modern periodic table. The properties of elements can be predicted more accurately with the help of modern periodic table on the basis of atomic numbers. Modern periodic table based on the fundamental properties, this is the atomic numbers. And that's why the properties of element can be predicted more accurately with the help of modern periodic table on the basis of atomic numbers. Atomic number चा वापर करून modern periodic table डेव्हलप केला गेल्यामुळे ॲक्युरेटपणे मूलद्रव्यांच्या प्रॉपर्टीज, एलिमेंटच्या प्रॉपर्टीज दाखवणं सहज सोपं झालं, शक्य झालं. The modern periodic table is also called the long form of the periodic table. जो periodic table आपण तयार केला त्या periodic table लाच आता आपण long form of the periodic table असं म्हणतो. The properties of elements can be predicted more accurately with the help of the modern periodic table formed on the basis of atomic numbers. The modern periodic table is also called the long form of modern periodic table. In the previous standard, that means we see in the 9th standard, atomic numbers, number of electrons, atomic mass numbers. Atomic number is denoted by Z, atomic mass number is denoted by A. The total electrons are distributed in cells. The total electrons are distributed in the cells around nucleus is determined by total number of electrons in it. Electrons are distributed in the cells around nucleus. Nucleus is determined by the total number of electrons in it. Electrons are distributed in the cells around nucleus is determined by the total number of electrons around in it, and the total number of electrons in an atom is the same as the atomic numbers. The number of electrons distributed in the cells and the total number of electrons in an atom as same the atomic numbers. That means in short, students, atomic number, the number of electrons and total number of electrons in atom are same. नाहीतरी आपण डेफिनेशन बघितले. व्हॉट इज बाय atomic number? The number of electrons or number of protons is called as atomic number. पण तोपर्यंत शोध लागलेला नव्हता. आता शोध लागल्यानंतर म्हणून ह्या कन्सेप्ट येत आहे की electrons are distributed in the cells around nucleus is determined by total number of electrons in it and total number of electrons in an atom as the same atomic number. Now, the relation between the atomic number of an element and its electronic configuration is clearly seen in the modern periodic table or long form of the periodic table. Electronic distribution configuration, that means electronic distribution in the cells, that is the electronic configuration, and atomic number are related to each other, and this point can be clearly observed seen in the modern periodic table or long form of the periodic table. Hence, we need now to learn the modern periodic table or long form of the periodic table. Structure of the long form of the periodic table. In this periodic table, there are the horizontal lines. Horizontal lines called as periods. There is 7 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 horizontal lines are called as periods, and 1 to 18 vertical columns. Vertical columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 vertical columns are called as groups. Same concept मेंडेलिव्हची पण होती. Vertical column ला आपण ग्रुप म्हटलं होतो आणि horizontal line ना आपण periods म्हटलं होतो. Similar concept आहे. But here is the number is present. संख्या सुद्धा माहित आहे आपल्याला. Horizontal rows are called as periods and the number is 7. Vertical columns are called as groups and the number is 18. 1 to 18. First group, second group, third group, fourth, fifth, sixth, up to the 18th group. Period groups. Due to the arrangement of this period and the groups and period. This is the period and this is the groups. Due to the arrangement of periods and the groups, the boxes are formed. And each box have separate for one element. One element can be put in one box. एक box, एक element. एक box, एक element. One box, one element. Apart from this, total 118 boxes found in the modern periodic table. Total groups and total columns मिळून जेवढे बॉक्स तयार झाले त्यात 118 That means 118 elements, but some elements are not known. But recently all the elements are known. That means all the 118 elements are now known and put in the modern periodic table. These 118 elements now known. Some are not known, but recently they are known. Now total 118 is filled in the modern periodic table. But in modern periodic table, there are two periods are separate from the tables. These two lines. See on the blackboard. These two periods separate from the table, and this is called as lanthanide and actinide series. This is called as lanthanide series and actinide series. First is the lanthanide series, and second is actinide series. This is the outline diagram of the modern periodic table. When we see the structure of the modern periodic table, the entire table is divided in 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, and F block. 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, and F block. And this total block put in periodic table and structure is formed. Now this is the structure on the blackboard. First column, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 the column, and first row, second row, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th row, that is the periods. 7 periods, 18 groups. So how is the classified this S, P, D, F block? Because we see the structure. Please give attention. See, listen carefully. First 2 groups in the modern periodic table. See on the blackboard. These are the first 2 groups. This first group and this second group. First and second group elements are called as S block elements. S block elements. First and second total group. The elements which are in the first and second group are called as S block elements. S for sharp. Listen carefully. Put ऐकायला भेटेल असं नाही. Sharp elements. That is S elements. S block elements. And these sharp active S block elements are put in first and second group. Understand all of you? Now second, P block elements. P for principal. P block elements. S for sharp, active. Very sharp. Where is this S block? First and second group. Now P block element, that is principal block elements. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 to 18. That means 13 to 18. 13 to 18 groups. Total all are the P block elements. Third one is the D block elements. See in the table. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 13 to 12. 13 to 12 the column groups are called as D block elements. And D block elements also called as transition elements. D block elements also called as transition elements. These two lines are separated, these two periods are separated. but including this table and these two separated lines, the elements which are separated in these two lines, that is the lengthened series and actinide series, are called the inner transition, that is the F block elements. S block elements, first, second. P block elements, 13 to 18 groups. D block elements, 3 to 12 groups. And F block elements, lengthened and actinide series. 4 block लक्षात राहिले. S block, P block, D block, F block. S block, first and second group. P block, 13 to 18 group. D block, 3rd to 12th group. And F block, lengthened and actinide series at the bottom of the table. These are the S block, P block, D block and F block. This is the structure of the modern periodic table, that is the long form of the periodic table, and this is the outline diagram. Outline diagram of the SPDF block elements. Now, in P block elements, this is a zigzag line. This is zigzag line. This zigzag line is the border of separation of the metal and non-metals. Metal and non-metals. This right and left. Right and left. Left side of this line, zigzag line, is considered as a metals. This side, left side of the zigzag line, has zigzag line च्या डावीकडे left side ला, the left side of the zigzag line considered as a metal, right side of the zigzag line considered as a non-metal. Non-metal. Here is total metal. Left side metal, right side non-metal. Now, one question. Left side metal, right side non-metal. But what is the containing this line element? The element which have on this line. What? Metal, non-metal or any other? This is the question. Left side is the metal, right side is a non-metal. But the element on the line, that is the question. Okay, and these are the metalloids, that means semi-metals. Very easy. Left side of the zigzag line is a metal, right side of the zigzag line is a non-metal, and the elements which on the zigzag line is metalloids or semi-metals. This is the classification of the SPDF block in the modern periodic table or long form of the periodic table. Understood all of you? Today's homework of the periodic table. Periods group ची definition. How many periods, how many groups are in modern periodic tables? How many total boxes in modern periodic table? How many total elements in the modern periodic table? First question, very important question. Sketch outline diagram of the modern periodic table. Classify draw the structure of the modern periodic table on the basis of SPDF block. How many groups, how many periods? Any other question can be asked in exam. आपल्या स्वतःच्या नोटबुक मध्ये व्यवस्थित स्वतःच्या हँड रायटिंग मध्ये स्वतःच्या नोट्स प्रिपेअर करा, आउटलाइन डायग्राम काढा, टेबल ड्रॉ करा. ओके.